Hi, welcome to Hope.study, the online Bible school. In this video, I will be giving you a brief introduction to the platform and the various tools you can use to manage the content within. So, first, as you can see here in the screen, this is the view that your students would be seeing when they first visit the platform. Going through the content, you can see that there are various components, and these components can be edited however you desire using the platform tools that we're going to go through. But for now, we will see how it looks like when a student takes a course. So we go to the courses, you see the various courses, and you choose one. Upon choosing one, you can see that it takes you to a page where you can see the content regarding the course. You can see the various lessons and the progression that has been made. To start the course, you click on Start. You have to log in. And after logging in, it takes you here. So you can see there's a chatbot and there's a dialogue happening. All these content you can edit and change however you want. So for example, I will interact with this dialogue and continue the lesson. We will now look at the tools that we have to manage the content on our website. First, we go to apps.hope.study, and if you are not signed in, it will take you to this page. We log in using our credentials. And we're greeted with this page. The most important part of this page are the Learning Portal Manager and the Creator. The Learning Portal Manager is where you will be managing your website and various content regarding your website. The Creator is where you will be managing the courses, editing it, and sharing it. Logging into the Learning Portal Manager, you are greeted with this dashboard. And on the left, you can see the various options that are available to you. First off, we shall look at what the courses does. So in the courses list, you can see there are two tabs, one Learning Portal courses and the other called Organizations courses. In Organizations courses, you can see there are a lot of courses here made available to the organization. We can pick and choose which courses we want. Let us pick this one. Do you have the mark of the beast? You click on the plus icon and it adds it to your list. So we have the course in our learning portal. So to have it published, we click on the course. And as you can see here, there's a checklist you have to go through before you can publish the course. But the platform guides you to what you need to do. It points to the setting icon. You go to the settings and you change the content. For example, let us add the title here. And you can change the link. Mark of the beast. So this is how it would look like. Save. And you can see it points us to the edit page. Edit page, add course component, course header, add element about the course, course list, save and exit, and publication, publish the course. That is it. Now your course is available on your learning portal. The next important thing which you would be working with is pages. Using the pages, you can edit your site. First off, let's see what we can do on the main page. So you click on this icon to edit the page. You can see the various components which have been preloaded, and click on this plus icon and maybe go to items list. Maybe we want some statistics. There it is. Or maybe you don't want this Brave theme. You click on this trash icon and it's deleted. Once you're happy, you click save. You can even preview it, see what it looks like. Okay, it looks good. Looks pretty good. Save and exit. That's pretty much it. As for the creator, course creator, you can click this blue icon with a pencil, the top right nav bar. Click on it. Let's zoom in a little bit. And you can see there are same thing, various tabs: organizations, course, my courses. You can see there are various courses from different organizations which you can take into your organization. You can create course using this, create course. You can translate a course, an existing course. For example, let's see, do you have the mark of the beast? Translate the course. Choose the language you want for your translation. Can be anything. Could be French. You can choose, as you can see, there are certain languages which have only one option of the options. You have Google Translate, DeepL Translate. Maybe choose Dutch, choose DeepL or Google Translate. Add translation. The course is added. Save. Save, and the course which we just translated is here. And you can see, clicking on the course, there are various components, things about a course that you can change. But most important is the modules. The modules are the lessons within the course. So you click on this gear icon and it takes you to module style. You can change the title, description, and you can choose the kind of header you want. You can change your bot here and various other things. Save it and go to designer. Now this is the meat and potatoes of the course creator. This is what you use to create the content and manage the content of your course. So for example, here we have the dialog component. You can click on this icon here and you can change the various ways the dialog works. We could even add a new block, new text, and maybe we can save it. You can even preview it. Let's see what the dialog which we just added if it is there. So we have hello friend, next dialog, third dialog. Yes, it is there. And you can click this little plus icon here to add more components which you want. So for example, let's add an image component. Let's add some text, standard text. There you have it. You save it, save and exit. It's updated. That is pretty much it for the creator.